Okay, now approaching is the last two trains of the day. It's a class 390 Pendolino. It is 390 129, and it's here comes another 390, which is the last train of the day. It is 390 138. She zooms, well, both of them zoom past, going to their destinations. I shall leave this video here. Thank you all very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. If you have liked what you've seen here today, please do like, comment, share, subscribe and all that stuff. Hemel Hempstead, it's a nice, very quiet and, well, quiet-ish station. Quite a lot of trains though, but it's like it's been plunked in the middle of nowhere, well, between a main road and a motorway. But anyway, my next station is now, as usual, I don't have a clue where I'm going next, but wherever I go, I'll still see you guys later. So from me here at Hemel Hempstead, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.